Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by put them to the charging case, because firstly we need to disconnect them from the phone. So let's do this. And now close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. As you can see, we have no connection. And after that, we need to open the charging case, and your earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically. As you can see, we have connection. But sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So if you have this problem, you need to go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and then it should reconnect to your phone automatically. That's it. With this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big troubles with your earbuds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!